To enter safe mode on your Samsung Galaxy A17 is simple. Just navigate to the power off menu on your phone and then long press on power off. It should switch to safe mode, so go ahead and tap on it once and simply wait for your Galaxy A17 to restart in safe mode. Once it's successfully restarted, you should see safe mode in the bottom left corner, and you can just go ahead and unlock your phone. And you can see some of the apps will have been successfully disabled, meaning that you have entered safe mode. To exit out of safe mode, just go ahead and restart your Galaxy A17. And once you go through the restart process, then you can see here the safe mode tag has successfully disappeared. And when you unlock your phone, you'll notice the apps that had been previously disabled have been successfully re-enabled on your Galaxy A17. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.